Alright, YouTube. It's been a while since I put a video out. Not too long ago I saw Elm City Vintage do a keychain skull out of a nut like this. And I think he used 3/4, I'm not really sure. But I'm going to make, so this is inspired by his video. So I'm going to go ahead and do a skull necklace out of this railroad spike right here. So let's see how it goes. Alright, I got 3 of them. I'm going to do 3 at a time, one after the next. I'll probably only going to video 1, just so you know. So, I'm going to go ahead and stick all 3 blocks in. Round them off if you want. Little square look on the buddy helping me out. He happens to be in the shop. Looking good. Let's try to put the thing in the center of the camera. Alright, go for it. Drop it down. I also will do this and put it up against there so that I can hit it as such. Now I'm going to punch mine and drill them. That's good. All right. Another glue bot. I use it for my cutting oil. I have several of these. I picked these up at yard sales, mostly flea markets, and I paid $1 for one the other day, and it was brand new. Still had the little attachments and stuff up top, but I think I have 3 of them. But anyway, great for drilling, using for cutting fluid. Still a little warm. I like to get them to a dark color. Next one's going to be boiled linseed oil. All right, YouTube, the 3 I made are done. I've made a few of these so far, but there they are. If you just look at them a little bit, they're all a little bit different in the nose and things like that. Maybe the teeth are a little in different angles or something, but that's them. They're all finished, ready to go. And what I do is I put them on this paracord right here. It's a 325 paracord. It's really nice stuff, but it's a little bit thinner than the I think it's 550. And I just put it on through. I'm sure you could go the extra mile if you want to put a ring on there or something. You could even make one. I made a ring for so that the string, the paracord runs through this way. But another thing I do is I put a stainless steel nut on there just for looks. You could use, I guess, any kind of nut you wanted. I like the stainless steel just because it looks better to me. And let me see if I can do this. A little unorthodox there. And that way when you do put it on, it'll sit properly. So, and I got one here I made a while back. I just like that squared box look to them. So, and but check out Elm City Vintage channel, and he makes them out of these nuts right here. I think that's a 3/4 or a 5/8 or something like that. And I just happen to have a few of these laying around the shop. But and he, you know, he hammers them down and then puts his designs on them. Now, I made this one, but they look a little similar to this. And then I did one out of a larger one. So anyway, but his channel's awesome. He's got some really neat stuff on there. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Later.